Alright guys, we have seen different forms of media and content that we can have on our page. The content on a page is grouped based on the structure of a page. So apart from text based elements, links, images, etc., there are some structure based elements also. For example, we have header, nav, aside, main, section, article, and footer. All of these structure based elements are the block level elements, and they are also semantic tags. Therefore, all the different forms of media and content are wrapped inside these structure based elements to give meaning and also provide semantic structure to our page. Alright, let's have a closer look at these elements individually. Header. Header usually come on top of a page or inside an article, section, or any other division of a page. Generally, heading, introductory text, and even navigation are wrapped inside the header elements. For example, this is the home page of all campus, and this is the header of this page, which is wrapping logo and different navigational links inside it. Next, we have nav. The purpose of the nav element is to group all the navigational links. For example, menu, table of contents, and indexes. The nav element is intended only for the major block of navigation. It is not necessary that all the navigational links inside a page will come inside the nav element. Most commonly, it wraps the links that take other page within the same website or other parts of the web page. So let's have a look of nav also here. So on this page, this is the block of navigational links. So we can wrap these navigational links inside a nav element. After the nav, we have main tag. The main tag specifies all the main content of the body inside a document. All the content coming inside the main tag should be unique. The repeated content, such as main navigational links, site logos, sidebars, copyright information, should not be included in the main tag. Usually, it wraps the elements like different sections of a page, articles, divs, etc. Let's have a look of the content that can come inside the main tag. Again, here on this page right now, this is the header that we have already seen. After the header, all the content starting from here and up to here will be coming inside the main tag, because all of these contents are unique and they are also main content of this web page. And one more important point is that there must not be more than one main tag in a document. Inside the main tag, we can have different sections. The section element in an HTML document is used to define different sections on a page. Typically, it includes heading element, but not always. The section element breaks up and builds hierarchy on a page so that it becomes easier for users to identify the group of content on a page. For example, on this page, this is the first section, second, third, and so on up to here. So these all different sections on a page can be created using section tag inside the main tag. We do not use the section element as a generic container to style the layout. For that purpose, we have the div element. Logically, it should only define the outline of different sections in a document. Next, we have article tag. The article tag specifies the self-contained content which is intended to be distributable or reusable independently in a document. More often, we mark up the content like blog posts, newspaper articles, user submitted content, etc. inside the article tag. For example, again on this page, we can keep the content like this inside an article tag. We have heading and paragraphs that can be kept inside the article tag. And similarly, this heading and paragraph can be wrapped inside the article tag, and so on. After the article tag, we have one aside tag. The aside HTML element defines a section that is indirectly related to the main content in a document, such as sidebars. Most commonly, the sidebars comes on the left or right side of the page. Let's check out one example on aside tag also. So on this page, we do not have any sidebars, but here, this is the blog page of all campus. These contents can be wrapped inside the aside tag. This is the right sidebar of this page. The aside tag is a block level element. Therefore, it will appear on a new line, occupying the whole available width. So do not get confused that aside tag will appear as a sidebar on a page. To position it as a left sidebar or a sidebar, we will learn how to position an element using CSS. At the end, we have footer element. The footer element is a structural element that defines the content which comes at the bottom of the page, or any document, or a section, or an article, etc. Let's check out one example on footer also. So on this page at the bottom, we have footer. Typically, a footer element wraps the content related to the copyright or an author information. It also holds contact information, sitemap, and some extra links related to the document. So inside this footer, we have some extra links, social media links, and copyright information. Alright guys, these are some structure based elements which is used to group different types of content on a page. In the next video, we will see how actually we use these structure based elements, and also we will learn how to keep different forms of media and content inside these structure based elements.